Good morning once again, grade 4s.
Good morning, teacher.
Uh,
Good afternoon, teacher.
It's now afternoon. It's still morning because it's not yet 12. We start saying afternoon at 1 past 12. You get it, Mishi?
Yes.
Okay. We are doing maths and we are doing addition of whole numbers. Addition of whole numbers. Are we writing down?
Yes.
Okay.
Teacher, what page?
It's page 16. Page 16 and 17. Ken, you can't hear me. Ken, if you can hear me, wave your hand. Wave your hand if you can hear me, okay? Really, can you hear me? Where you are sitting is dark, really. I don't know why it is dark. I can't see you properly. Okay, yeah, that's better now. That's better. I can see your face now. Thank you. I don't know who it is who closed the curtains for you. Okay, tell him that teacher is saying thank you. Okay, so now we are starting and we are doing addition of whole numbers, and at grade 4 level, you are now supposed to be adding some numbers without taking a long time. Without taking a long time, let's do mental work so that we see if you can add numbers quickly. Okay, can you put your things together? Put your things together and pay attention. Michelle, open your video and also unmute yourself. Okay, let's do it quickly, everybody. I'm going to pick you randomly. So that we get prepared for our vertical edition there.
Teacher, you said it's on page what?
Page
I
16,
didn't hear you.
Michelle. 16, 16. 16. Can you hear me now,
Okay.
Michelle?
Yes.
Okay. Page 16 and 17. Like this, Michi?
Okay, I opened the page.
All right. Okay, so I said we are going to do mental work quickly so that it gears us for the lesson here. Okay, so I'm going to be picking you randomly. I'm not following any order. I'll just call out your name so that you give me the answer quickly as possible. No working out, no working it out. Okay. I'm starting now. Skani, so don't run away. Can you come back? Open your video. Skani, so can you hear me? Skani, so unmute yourself and come back. Okay, so we are starting now. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3, it's for you, Mel. Mel.
8.
8, yes. 6 plus 4. 6 plus 4, Michelle. 6 plus 4. Michelle, you are
It's
taking.
10.
Yes, it's 10. Kien, can you please write down, and Raylin, write your answers down as I give you. Okay, Raylin, yours, it's 9 plus 3. 9 plus 3. Quickly. Just write the answer. No working out, no working out. 9 plus 3, wrong, Raylene. Raylene, that's wrong. I taught you how to calculate very fast. Okay, who can help Raylene there? 9 plus 3? Skanyis. Ska?
12.
Yes, it's 12. And yours, Ska, is 6 plus 5. 6 plus 5. Kien, yours is, Kien, are you there? Kien, 8 plus 5. 8 plus 5. What is your answer? Write it down and show me quickly. No working out. No working out. Okay, thank you, Kien. Correct. Skani, so we are waiting for you. You are still working out, Ska?
11.
Okay, thank you. Thank you. I hope you have sharpened your brains. Now let's get into the addition of the whole numbers now. Okay, and we are starting with addition of tens. But before we do that, can you tell me the other words that are used for addition? The other words that we can use for addition, such that when you see them, you know that I'm supposed to add. Which other words can be used there? Yes, ma'am?
Count forward.
Yeah?
Count forward.
Yeah. Count on, or you saying count forward. Yes, Michelle.
Adding.
Adding, I've already said it. I'm saying addition. Let's add. What other word can be used? You guys, what other word can be used for addition? Because when we are adding, we are using, yes, thank you, Kien, the sum of, thank you very much. We are using this sign. What other word can be used for this sign? Yes, Mel.
Plus.
Yes, plus. Very good. And another one. Another one. Yes, total. What is the total of? Yes, you are adding. If they are asking for the total, all together. Thank you, Mr. Raylin there. Yes, all together. If we say Mel Junior bought one packet of chips and one drink, and also what, one donut. I'll be saying out the price. What is the total, or what is sum the sum of, even sum of, we also use it for addition. So if you see those words, then you know that you are adding. Or if they ask you what is the total, or all together, how many things did he buy, something like that. Or we can use the simple word plus. Okay, now I said we are adding, we are starting with hundreds. We are adding hundreds. We are adding hundreds, which means how many figures do we have? How many figures if we are adding hundreds? Yes, Kian? Yes, three figures. Three figures that we are adding there. The first one standing for hundreds, second one tens, and the third one units. So I'm going to give you some numbers here, and I want you to add. And don't forget, you remember what you used to do in class on the board there, Michelle, Skani, so all of you, Mel,
Yes.
even Kien, what you used to come and do in front there, you used to come and add and explaining. You were also explaining why you were, which words were we using for addition? if the number on top is smaller than the number at the bottom, which words were we using? Yes, Mel?
Borrowing and
Yes,
giving.
borrowing and
Giving.
yes, borrowing and giving. So don't forget that as you are going to add the numbers that I am going to give you here. Okay, the first one, please remember we are adding vertically from top to bottom, up and down there. Okay, so the first one, number 16, you are adding 667. 667 plus 233.
Is it plus what, teacher? I didn't hear you.
667.
Yes.
Tandekile, I said you are lost. I don't know why your lesson is at 8:30 and 10 o'clock. We have already done that. You have already learned, you did maths, you did Fareme, and this is time for grade 4. There is, I don't know why you're getting lost. And there is non-Ndebele today also. Which subject are you coming from? Are you coming for? She's gone. Okay. 667 plus 233. Okay, are you done already, Kian? Can we add very fast?
Teacher, I'm done.
Teacher, I'm done.
Okay, okay. Let's wait for Mary. Is still working out and raining there. Okay, who is going to do it for us? Okay, who wants to do it? Ah, okay, Michelle.
110 units. 600,
667, Michelle.
667 plus 233.
Yes,
We
can you
say
put your
7
paper
plus
down,
3
Raylene?
is.
Okay, sorry, Michelle, sorry. Raylene and Kian, don't raise your papers when someone is presenting. Okay, you'll be disturbing the person who is doing that. Okay, Michelle, can you start again?
Let's say 667 plus 233. We say 7 plus 3 is 10. So it's 0 carry 1.
Yes.
And then it's 6 plus 3. It's 10 too.
You said 6 plus
So
3.
sorry, it's 6 plus 3. It's 9 plus 1 is 10.
Yeah.
And then we say 0 carry 1. And then
Yes.
6 plus 2 is 9. It's 8 plus 1 is 9.
So your answer is?
My answer is 900.
Yes, 900. We talked about borrowing and giving. That's a mistake, and that's for subtraction. Here we are carrying babies. We are carrying babies, and you don't have to forget the baby that you would have carried. Michelle has done well there. She didn't forget the babies. 7 plus 3, she said 10. So you write the units and carry the tens there. She wrote 0 and she carried 1. 6 plus 3, it's 9, and then plus the baby that she has carried, it's 0 again. And you carry again the tens, and 6 plus 2, 8, plus that baby again, we get 9, and our answer is 900. That's correct. Okay, can we have another example? The last one. Let's have the last example. Let's have 586. 586. Remember, we are adding the vertical way. 586 plus 319. 586 plus 319.
Teacher, I'm done.
Yeah, done already, Michelle. Okay. Let's wait for Mel. He's finishing up and reading there.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, let's have somebody else to do that one. Michelle did the first one. Let's have somebody
Yeah.
else to do that one. Kien, now I don't know whether we'll be able to hear you. Maybe try to talk, Kien, because if you are using the paper only, we can't hear what you did there. Okay, can you try to unmute so that we check if we can hear you? Okay, can you try to speak there? Okay, it's making noise. He can't. Mr. Mel. Okay, let's hear from Mel. Let's hear from Mel. Mel, can you be quick? It's almost time.
500 plus 209. We say 6 plus 9. So we put 1 from 10 and 16 to 10.
We are not subtracting. I said borrowing and giving is for subtraction. We are adding, so we are giving. Sorry, we are carrying. We are doing addition with carrying there. Okay, Mel has disappeared. Okay, Michelle. Kien and Raylene, I wonder if you are telling your moms or grandma there about your phones so that they can be repaired and we can hear your voice. You can also participate in the lesson. If you can talk to them so that the phones can be repaired there, so that you also participate in the lesson. Not now, not now. Can you open your videos? You do that later. Okay, Michelle. Michelle again.
508, 586 plus 319. We say 6 plus 9 is 15. So we say it's 5 carry 1.
Yeah.
8 plus 1 is 9 plus 1 is 10. So we say 0 carry 1. 5 plus 3 is 8 plus 1 is 9.
Yes, thank you. Well done, Michelle. Well done. That's good. Keep it up. Okay, I have already sent your work on Google Classroom, and we are going to do. Who can tell me how many? How many sums are you doing? You haven't seen the message. Yes, Michelle. Michelle.
We are doing 20.
No, we are doing 15. Number 1 to number 15. That's what we are going to do. So please start working on that. And Michelle is opening her mouth. And I think she's surprised. Okay, so we are doing those 15. We have been practicing the last 5 days. So we are now doing the first 15 there. Okay, have a great day and see you tomorrow. Bye bye.